Hello guys, so Dollar Tree have this container that I think is for trick-or-treating, but we're gonna use it for a beautiful centerpiece. So we're gonna take this part out, then we're gonna take floral foam. I'm gonna put some hot glue. Make sure to put enough hot glue and then just go ahead and attach it into place. And we're going to attach it on the side like that. And then we're gonna take another floral foam and we're gonna put some hot glue inside, just put it all the way around it and then place it inside as well. Hold it down until it attach into place and it turns out like this. Then after you do that, I'm gonna grab these flowers, fall flowers, and I'm gonna place one in the other side, and then I'm gonna place another one in the middle, and I'm also going to place another one in the other sides as well, like that. Then after you place these three flowers, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a few of the little flower bouquet, and I'm just gonna place it in the middle. So I'm also going to use like these little single flowers. I'm just going to place a stick and place it inside. And here you could put different color of the flower and just use a stick if you don't have the whole bouquet inside, if you want to do it separately. Then just go ahead and continue filling out the whole bucket until you fill out the whole thing. And this is how cute, you guys. It turns out super cute, simple, inexpensive, that you guys can do for your this can be for your home decor. It could also be for outside, and it could also be for inside. It's up to you how you guys want to use it. We're gonna do it different ways. We're gonna use it in different ways, so I'm gonna show you different ways that you guys can use this bucket. So if you see it, make sure to grab it before it goes away. So then I'm gonna take, for the next idea, I'm gonna take the flower from the middle. Remember, we have a floral foam in the bottom part. So I'm gonna take this glass, I'm going to put some hot glue all the way around it, and then I'm going to attach it to the floral foam that is already attached to the container. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and place flower around it. I'm just gonna fill it up until you do the whole thing. You fill out the whole thing with flour, the same thing like we did before. Then just go ahead and fix it to your liking. Here you could do different colors if you guys would like. Then I took one of these pumpkin. So I'm gonna take my pumpkin, I'm gonna put some hot glue in the cup, and then I'm gonna attach the pumpkin on top of the glass like that. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. I love how this one turns out. I think it's super cute, super easy, and super inexpensive as well. And then you can put this one like in the entry of your homes, like when you come in your home. I think it will look great in the outside part as well. You can use it for the inside. It's up to you guys how you guys want to use it. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna take the pumpkin out. This one will be more like a centerpiece, so I'm gonna put some hot glue on the glass, and then I'm gonna take one of this clear glass and place it on top like that. Just attach it into place. Then I'm gonna grab one of this candle and place it inside. And here you can take this cute little pumpkin, and I'm just gonna place it around it. The good thing about this pumpkin, they have it in Dollar Tree, and it comes with a clip that you could just go ahead and clip it to the flower, and it will attach into place. And this is how cute, you guys, it turns out. Simple, easy to do. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly. Please comment down below and let me know which one is your favorite out of all of them.